Question number 141. Choose the incorrect statement. Option 1. The capacity of 1 gram of hemoglobin to combine with oxygen is 1.34 ml. This is the correct statement. Option 2. Approximately 15 ml of CO2 is delivered to alveoli by every 100 ml of deoxygenated blood under normal conditions. This is an incorrect statement because 100 ml of deoxygenated blood delivers around 4 ml of carbon dioxide to alveoli. Option number 3. Under strenuous exercise condition, oxygen level falls to about 4.4 ml per 100 ml in venules. This is also a correct statement. If this is a tissue, and here oxygenated blood is present, hundred ml of oxygenated blood contains 19.4 ml of oxygen, and in strenuous conditions 100 ml of oxygenated blood delivers around 15 ml of oxygen to tissues. So the oxygen which remains in venules is 19.4 minus 15, that is 4.4 ml of oxygen. This is deoxygenated blood. Option number 4. Arterial blood transports about 20 ml of oxygen per 100 ml of blood in normal conditions. This is a correct statement. We have seen that in 100 ml of oxygenated blood, 19.4, that is around 20 ml of oxygen is present. So incorrect statement is option number 2. So correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 142. Choose the incorrect match. First option, aquatic arthropods, respiratory structure gills, correct. Branchial respiration, correct. Second option, insects, tracheal tubes. This is also a correct match. Tracheal respiration, correct match. Option 3, flatworms, lungs. This is incorrect. Pulmonary respiration, incorrect. Option number 4, amphibians, skin and type of respiration, cutaneous respiration. This is a correct match. In amphibians, respiration occurs through skin, gills and lungs. In flatworms, free living forms, as well as parasitic forms exists. In free living forms, gaseous exchange occurs across body wall, while in parasitic forms, because anaerobic fermentation occurs, and the type of anaerobic fermentation which occurs in parasitic forms is lactic acid fermentation, in which CO2 is not produced, and because it is anaerobic, oxygen is not utilized, so there is no gaseous exchange in parasitic forms. So correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 143. The partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 40 mmHg in all of the following blood vessels except. And the options given are coronary artery, pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery, and systemic artery. In coronary artery, pulmonary vein, and systemic artery, oxygenated blood is present. And in oxygenated blood, partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 40 mm of Hg. In pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood is present. And in deoxygenated blood, partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 45 mm of Hg. So correct answer to this question is pulmonary artery. Option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 144. Choose the correct statement with respect to oxygen as respiratory gas. And the options given are, it has 20 to 25 times more solubility than carbon dioxide. This is incorrect because solubility of CO2 is 20 to 25 times more than oxygen. Second option, it binds with iron in ferrous state so that upon binding oxidation of iron takes place. This is also incorrect because oxygen when binds with hemoglobin, oxygenation occurs, not oxidation. Option number 3, it binds more easily with myoglobin due to higher affinity as compared to hemoglobin. This is a correct statement. Affinity of myoglobin for oxygen is more than hemoglobin. Option number 4, it binds with hemoglobin in an irreversible manner to form oxyhemoglobin. This is also incorrect because binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is not irreversible, it is reversible. So correct statement is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 145. The approximate percentage of oxygen and CO2 carried by plasma in dissolved state is respectively. Oxygen in dissolved form is 3%, while carbon dioxide in dissolved form is 7% because solubility of CO2 is 20 to 25 times more than oxygen. So correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question.